Imagine if money could flow to you faster, almost as if the universe itself is working in your favor. Imagine the possibilities, the freedom, the ease. What if there was one simple, yet powerful action that could unlock this flow, bringing abundance into your life quicker than you ever thought possible? Now, I know this might sound like a dream, but it's not just wishful thinking. This is something that successful people around the world have been quietly doing for years, and it's finally time for you to discover it. In this video, I'll reveal a specific practice that can help accelerate money into your life. It's based on the law of attraction, combined with a practical, focused technique that tunes your mind and intentions to abundance, and it's something almost no one talks about. So, why does this work? It's all about how you set your mind and your energy. You'll learn how a small shift in your intention and a daily action can make a big difference. When your mindset aligns with what you desire, you naturally draw it in. This isn't just about visualizing or hoping for the best, it's about taking real, intentional steps that change how you attract wealth. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in scarcity, in worry, and in all the reasons why money might feel hard to come by. But when you apply this approach, you can break out of that pattern. This method has helped people to find unexpected income, new job opportunities, and financial breakthroughs they never saw coming. Some call it a money magnet practice, and others call it a manifestation ritual. But the beauty lies in its simplicity and how effectively it can work when practiced consistently. Stay with me through this video because by the end, you'll not only understand how this practice works, but you'll know exactly how to use it in your life, starting today. I'll break down the steps in a way that anyone can follow, no matter where you're starting from financially. You don't need special tools, just a willingness to try something new and see the results for yourself. Welcome to your channel name. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button because we're all about sharing tools and techniques to help you attract abundance and achieve your dreams. Ready to discover the method that so many successful people keep as their secret? Let's get started. Let's start with the foundation, the power of mindset and intention. When it comes to attracting wealth, everything begins with how you think and feel about money. Our mindset shapes our reality. It's like a lens through which we see the world. If that lens is focused on scarcity, we notice lack everywhere. But when that lens shifts toward abundance, our focus naturally shifts to opportunity, prosperity, and growth. Now, this isn't just about thinking positive or hoping for the best. Setting an intention means getting crystal clear on what you want and putting your energy toward it. When you decide to attract money, there's a key factor: openness. You have to truly believe that wealth is possible for you, that you're deserving of it, and that it can flow easily into your life. Without this openness, the path is blocked. But with a clear, focused intention, you create space for abundance to flow in. And this brings us to a specific practice that can help bring money quickly. This action is simple but powerful, a daily ritual that aligns your mindset and sets your intention firmly on wealth. One approach you can take is visualization. Each day, close your eyes and visualize yourself already living with the wealth you desire. Picture the lifestyle, the security, the freedom that comes with it. Imagine it so vividly that you can feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already here. By doing this, you're not just daydreaming, you're signaling to the universe that you're ready and willing to receive this level of abundance. Another method is to use affirmations, simple yet powerful statements that reinforce your intention. You might repeat phrases like, "Money flows to me effortlessly," or "I am open to wealth and abundance." These affirmations work by gradually reprogramming your subconscious mind, helping to shift your beliefs and clear away any hidden doubts about attracting money. For some, A small ritual can be especially effective. This could be as simple as writing down your financial goal on a piece of paper and placing it somewhere you see daily. Or perhaps you dedicate a few minutes each morning to hold that paper, read your goal out loud, and feel gratitude for the wealth that's coming to you. The purpose of these practices, whether visualization, affirmations, or a small ritual, is to align your energy with abundance. This practice is a signal to the universe that you're ready to attract wealth, making the law of attraction work in your favor. By focusing your mind and setting a clear intention, you're setting up the foundation for wealth to flow in. This isn't magic, it's a powerful alignment between your beliefs, your actions, and the energy you put into the world. To make this practice truly effective, there are a few key steps to follow. Each of these steps strengthens your focus and increases your ability to attract wealth into your life. Let's dive into each one. The first step is gratitude. Before we can welcome in more, we need to recognize and appreciate what we already have. Gratitude is powerful. It shifts your mindset from lack to abundance. When you genuinely feel grateful for your current resources, no matter how small, you create a sense of fulfillment and positivity. This feeling of abundance attracts more abundance. You're telling the universe, I have enough, and I'm ready to receive even more. By starting each day with a moment of gratitude for your home, your income, or even the small things in life, you set a positive, receptive tone for the day ahead. The next step is to set a specific financial intention. This isn't about being vague or wishing for a general increase in money. Be precise. Set a monetary goal that you feel connected to, whether it's a specific amount of savings, income, or even a purchase you want to make. Be clear about what you want. Write it down, visualize it, and focus on it. A clear intention helps your mind stay focused, like a compass pointing toward your goal. When your intention is focused, you naturally start to notice opportunities that align with your goal. This clarity keeps you in sync with the energy of abundance. Finally, consistency is key, so make this a daily practice. This can take many forms: visualization, affirmations, or a small ritual of abundance. Spend a few moments each day visualizing your goal. Picture the details, the feeling of security, the things you'd be able to do, the joy it would bring. Or repeat affirmations that reinforce your belief in your financial goal. Phrases like I am attracting wealth every day or money flows to me effortlessly can help train your mind to expect and welcome prosperity. For those who prefer rituals, it could be as simple as lighting a candle and speaking your intention, or holding a small object that symbolizes wealth to you. The aim is to keep this connection strong every day, reminding yourself and signaling to the universe that you're open and ready to receive. By following these steps, starting with gratitude, setting a clear intention, and committing to daily practice, you're creating a powerful routine. You're aligning yourself with abundance, drawing wealth toward you in a way that feels natural and steady. Many people who've embraced this practice have seen incredible results. One story that often inspires is from someone who was struggling financially for years. They began applying the technique daily, setting a clear intention, visualizing wealth, and practicing gratitude. Within weeks, they started noticing small shifts: unexpected checks, job offers, even random financial gifts. Over time, these small changes added up, and they were able to pay off debt and build up savings they'd never thought possible. Another story comes from someone who was skeptical at first, but decided to try this method with a focus on a specific financial goal. Every day, they spent a few minutes visualizing the outcome as if it had already happened. They described vividly picturing themselves in a new job that paid more, one that allowed them to work fewer hours. Not long after, they were offered an opportunity that fit this vision almost perfectly. They credited their shift in mindset and the power of intention for attracting this opportunity. Of course, this practice has some famous advocates. Bob Proctor, a well-known expert on the law of attraction, often shared his own success stories from using these principles. Proctor spoke openly about how he started with very little, using gratitude and clear financial goals to build a life of wealth. He believed strongly in the power of our thoughts to create our reality, especially when it came to money. His story serves as proof for many that these techniques can bring real, lasting results. The benefits of this practice go beyond money. While financial abundance is a primary focus, people also report feeling more positive, experiencing less stress, and even noticing improvements in relationships and career opportunities. The expected results are not always instant, but over time, those who stay consistent with their practice often describe a steady flow of income, unexpected financial boosts, and a newfound sense of control over their financial destiny. This technique isn't just about money, it's about aligning with abundance in every form. When we're in that mindset, we attract not only wealth, but also a greater sense of peace and purpose. The stories speak for themselves, and the results can be life-changing for those who commit to this process with an open heart and clear intention. When you start practicing this consistently, it's natural to wonder what kind of outcomes you might see. One of the most common results people experience is unexpected money coming their way. This might happen as a sudden gift, a refund you weren't expecting, or even finding money you had forgotten about. These small surprises are often the first signs that your practice is working and that abundance is beginning to flow into your life. Beyond unexpected money, many people find that new job opportunities or side income sources start to appear. Sometimes these opportunities come from places you'd least expect: an old friend reaching out, a promotion you hadn't considered, or a chance encounter with someone who introduces you to a new project. The more you align your mindset and intentions with abundance, the more you open up to these opportunities. Some people even describe financial breakthroughs, like receiving a large contract or reaching a new milestone in their business. These outcomes aren't guaranteed, but they become more likely as your focus sharpens and your energy aligns with your goals. To make the most of this practice, consistency is key. It's about making these techniques, whether they're visualizations, affirmations, or rituals, a daily habit. One way to stay consistent is by setting a specific time each day for your practice. Treat it like any other commitment. Even just 5 minutes each morning can make a difference. When you make this a daily routine, it becomes second nature, and you're more likely to stay connected to your intentions. Building faith in the process is also essential. Some days you might feel more skeptical, or you might not see results right away. In those moments, remind yourself why you started and trust that these shifts often begin small. Think of each practice as a step in the right direction, even if the results aren't immediate. The more you believe in the power of your intentions, the stronger this practice becomes. If doubts come up, try to focus back on your goal, visualize it clearly, and feel gratitude for the progress you've already made. Remember, the process strengthens with time and belief. When you keep going, trusting in the small changes, you set yourself up to receive abundance in all its forms. Over time, the results build, turning into lasting improvements in your financial situation and your sense of empowerment over your life's direction. In summary, we've explored the steps to help you attract financial abundance. Start with gratitude, set a clear intention, and make it a daily practice. By focusing on these small, powerful actions, you're opening yourself to new opportunities, unexpected income,